Last period I taught about the renewal of a bill. Then we did three problems related to renewal of a bill. Okay. Next, next case. Now two more cases there. Insolvency of the acceptor. Last, retiring of bill. Retiring of bill. Then insolvency of acceptor. So insolvency of the acceptor. So when a person is said to be insolvent, when he is unable to pay the amount on due date. Otherwise, when he is unable to pay the liabilities, then only a person is said to be insolvent. Okay. So when here means when the drawee becomes insolvent, means he is not in a position to bear the liabilities in full. So in such a case, that bill already we prepared, already the drawer draws the bill, write the bill, that it becomes dishonored. Clear? So in the case of insolvency of the drawee or acceptor, so we will get some amount. Sometimes we will receive partial amount from drawee. Means we can tell here paisa in the rupees. Means 50 paisa in the rupees. Means suppose 100, suppose 1000 is the amount. So 50 paisa in the rupees we got. So we got 500. That is out of 1000 we received 50 paisa in the rupees. That is called dividend. So unpaid amount, no, unpaid amount, that 500 unpaid amount, that is treated as bad debt. Bad debt. Okay. So in the case of insolvency, sometimes we will receive a partial amount from the acceptor, from the which one, from the drawee. So that is treated as dividend. Okay, that is treated as dividend. Then the unpaid amount, that is treated as bad debt in the books of drawer. In the books of drawer. Then the unpaid amount, that 500, that is treated as deficiency. Deficiency in the books of drawee. In the books of drawee, that unpaid amount, in the books of drawee, it is treated as bad debt. Irrecoverable portion, we won't get that amount, that is sure. Okay, but in the books of drawee, it is treated as deficiency. It is treated as deficiency. Okay, so what is by insolvency of the acceptor? When the acceptor becomes insolvent, he implies that he is not in a position to pay the liabilities. Okay, so this, in this case, the bill is treated as dishonored bill. Okay, so usually some partial amount is received from the insolvent in the form of a number of paisa in the rupees. Okay, due from him. So the amount received from the drawee is treated as dividend. The unpaid amount is treated as bad debt in the books of drawer. But the unpaid amount is treated as deficiency in the books of drawee. Okay. Now journal entry. Already I said, if it is insolvency, the old bill first we have to cancel. Then the old bill is treated as dishonored bill. So like a renewal, first entry will be which one? Dishonor entry. So here I didn't write the dishonor. First we have to write entry for dishonor of the bill. So dishonor of the bill, already we know that. Okay, first what we have to do? Dishonor. So in the books of drawer, if it is a insolvency, so first entry for dishonor of bill. So we know the entry, already we know that drawee account debtor, dishonor, drawee, in every case, drawee will be debit. So in each case, drawee account debtor, if it is a normal bill, to bills receivable. Same like renewal, first cancel. If it is a discounted bill, dishonored to bank. If it is bill sent for collection is dishonored to bill sent for collection. Bill sent for collection. If it is endorsed bill is dishonored to endorsee. Being endorsee to endorsee. Okay, that is being bill received, the bill dishonored. Okay, due to insolvency, bill dishonored. So first entry, so you have to make first entry in the books of drawer, drawee account debtor to bills. In the books of drawee, you know that only one entry, bills payable. In the books of drawee, bills payable account debtor, noting charge account debtor to drawer, okay, that is a dishonored entry, that already we know that. Okay, in the books of drawer, drawee account debtor to each case. Next, if it is in the books of drawee, bills payable account debtor, noting charge account to drawer. If noting charge is there, noting charge, otherwise bills payable account to drawer. So first entry will be dishonor. Next entry in the books of drawer. So I said if we received, suppose amount is 10,000. So 50 paisa we received. 50 paisa in the rupees we received. So next entry will be when a part payment is received. So when a part payment is received. When a part payment is received from insolvency, means drawer. From insolvents, estate. From drawer, drawee, estate. If we got any part payment. So in the books of drawer, in the books of drawer, in the books of drawee, that it is easy. In the books of drawee. So first you have to remember, you have to cancel the old bill. You have to cancel the old bill. Then second entry will be when a part payment is received. So entry will be when a part payment is received from, that will be suppose Y, bank account debtor, suppose 50% we received. So suppose 5,000. Okay. Bank account debtor, bad debt. Cash or bank, you can write bad debt account debtor 5,000 to Y account, not bills receivable. If any insolvency is there, from Y we got only 50 paisa. If it is 40 paisa means 10,000 into 40%. Okay, bank account debtor, bad debt. In the books of drawer, bank account debtor, bad debt account to Y account. Being amount received from Y's estate, private property, estate in full settlement. Okay, this is the entry. Next, Y account. So opposite only, X account debtor, X account debtor to, he given cash to cash, no, to bank. Cash or bank, you can write it. There so majority of the transactions are conducted through bank, so that's why to bank account to bad debt is treated as deficiency, to deficiency account. X here bank account debtor, bad debt account to Y. Here X account debtor 10,000 we have to give. So we given 5,000 deficiency. Being amount paid to X in full settlement. Okay, if it is in the case of insolvency, in the books of drawer, first dishonor, drawee account, already we know, drawee account to, then on the base of the case, question. Then second entry in the books of drawer, bank account debtor, bad debt account to drawee, bank debtor, bad debt account to drawee. So in the books of drawee, opposite, X account, here means we will receive amount, here means we will pay amount to Y in full settlement. So Y account to bank to deficiency. So deficiency, that is his income. So but bad debt is treated as deficiency. So he have no capacity. Okay. So if you want to become insolvent, so he will approach the court for declaring him as an insolvent. If the court approves, then he will become insolvent. Then the court will appoint administrator. Then they will take our that insolvent asset. Then from that they will pay the liabilities. Okay, any doubts? Insolvency, you look at that. Renewal. So this entry, you look at bank account debtor, bad debt account to Y. Okay. Here X account to bank to deficiency. If insolvency is there, the person's account will come. Amount received from Y in full settlement. amount paid to X in full settlement. Bad debt is treated as deficiency in the books of drawing. Okay, so then we will do one problem, then you will understand. So here you have to remember the same question, renewal, then insolvency. Clear? So for insolvency only two entry, but you look at the question, you can understand. So already I said past journal entry in the books of drawer and drawee, otherwise past journal entries in the books of drawer and repair drawee account. Okay, look at the question. A sold goods to B, drew a bill at 3 months for the amount. Okay, A sold goods to bill to B for rupees 20,000, then drew a bill at 3 months, drew a bill 3 months, then on 1st February, A discounted. February, this is January. 1st Feb, discounted the bill. Discounted the bill 15 percentage discount with his bank. Then renewal is there. On maturity bill was dishonored 50 noting charge. Then B paid 8,000 and the noting charges. Okay, so renewal is there. So renewal is there with that bill plus noting charge. Renewal bill plus noting charge. Then part payment is there. Part payment 8,000 and noting charge. Part payment 8,050. Then new bill. Then part payment in that new bill is there, so that we have to find. Then insolvency. Then that new bill, insolvency means that bill will dishonor. Then last entry, bank account debtor, bad debt account to insolvency. Clear? So the same question. First, same up to renewal, up to this, then extra insolvency and dishonor. A sold goods for rupees 20,000. Bill is at 3 months. Then February, discounted the bill 15%. So how many months that you have to look? Discount date to mature date. Total 3 months from January. So from February to 2 months. Then renewal on maturity, the bill was dishonored with 50 as noting charge. With a 50 as noting charge. Bill plus noting charge cancelled, bill cancelled. Then part payment, it is given, be paid 8,800. 8,000 and noting charge. Be paid rupees 8,000 and noting charges. So 8,050. Then new bill and gave a new bill for 2 months. 2 months. Okay. Then it is given interest also there. Part payment interest. Interest how to calculate? Balance amount. Balance amount into balance amount. Out of 8,050 given. So we will do the problem. Out of that 8,050 we given. So remaining amount into 12% into period of new bill. Period of new bill. So this is the question. So everything it is there. So now you can revise all the cases. So first we'll start. Okay, clear now? Question it is clear now? Sold goods, bill, discounted, renewal. Renewal, part payment, interest, new bill. Then that new bill, insolvency, dishonor, then bank account debtor, bad debt account debtor to drawing. So we'll start. If you have any doubt, you can ask. First, journal entries in the books of A. So if you do the journal entries in the books of A, then you will get the idea. So first date 1st January 2018, B account debtor to sales, being sold goods to B, being sold goods to B, 20,000. Second entry, bills receivable account debtor to B's account, being acceptance received. Being acceptance received. Then that bill we discounted. Date it is given 1st February. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account, being bill discounted with the bank. So how to calculate discount? 20,000 into percentage 15% into discount date to maturity date. So total 3 month. Total 3 month. So from 1st January. So from 1st February to how many month? 2 month. So 2 by 12. 500,000. So 500, 19,500. Okay, now renewal. Dishonored, be paid, noting charge. Interest, okay. Noting charge is there. So it is discounted bill is dishonored. So maturity date. So from this onwards you have to look. From first maturity date 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 18. What is journal entry? Aditya. Here discounted bill is dishonored. Journal entry. Karthik.
Yes, sir.
B account.
Okay, okay. Aditya, correct. B's account at to bank. Discounted bill. So to bank. Okay. So amount will be 20,000 plus. If it is a discountable bill, is not in charge, but means together 20,050. So being bill dishonored, bill cancelled. Being bill cancelled, dishonored also. And noting charges paid by bank. Okay, B's account bank, being bill cancelled and noting charges paid by bank. Clear now? Any doubt? It is discounted bill is dishonor, means renewal. First we have to cancel dishonor. Next, part payment. Part payment, same date 4/4/18. Cash account debtor or bank. Cash account debtor to B's account, being cash received, being cash received from B. So here it is given B paid 8,000 plus B paid 8,000 and noting charge So 8,050. Clear? So sentence you have to look, question you have to look. Then on that basis you have to write. Otherwise, if only we paid 8,000, only 8,000. Because here means question will arises how to calculate interest on the balance amount only. Balance, how to find out? Cancel amount minus part payment. So next, interest. Interest entry, we know that B's account debtor to interest account. B's account to interest account, being interest receivable. Being interest receivable. So how to calculate interest? So in that you have to look cancelled, dishonored amount. 20,050 you have to give. 20,050. From that, you have to minus how much part payment we got. Okay, then remaining 12,000. 12,000 into interest percentage, it is given 12%. 12% into period of new bill. Interest period of new bill. New bill 2 month. 2 by 12. 2 by 12. 240. So next, 4418 new bill. Bills receivable account debtor to B's account being new acceptance received. Being new acceptance received. So how much new acceptance? So how to calculate balance? We have to get 12,000 plus, you know, here it is given, and gave another bill at 2 months for the balance together with interest. Balance 12,000. Out of 20,050, 8,050 we got already. So balance plus interest. Students. So next, it will cancel. So now insolvency. So at the time of maturity only 4/4. So 7/6, 2 month only. New bill 2 month. So 7, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Bill is dishonored. So in one thing you have to remember, if any renewal is there, if it is cancelled, means it is very easy. It is a normal only. B's account to bills receivable, draw account to bills receivable. Okay. If renewal after that insolvency is there, then it will be easy. So entry will be B's account debtor to bills receivable. Bills receivable account. Same amount, 12,240. 12,240 being bill dishonored. So same date. So here we said we got how much? 40 paisa. 40 paisa only we received. 40 paisa means 12,240 into 40 by 100. 40 by 100. So entry will be bank account debtor, bad debt account debtor to B's account. B's account being amount received from B in full settlement. So how to calculate amount? Out of 12,240, we received 40%.